What's up, guys? BLS here. Just wanted to demo a few tools that I made in PHP for my ease of use on PR2. Um, First off, I want to just explain what you're looking at here. You're looking at a page on my local host. I have a PHP, MySQL, Apache server combo installed, slash the stuff that comes with Mac. Um, that's what's installed on my computer, plus a MySQL installation. Um, so I took the style from the old jigman.com site. I got that from web.archive.org. Um, Made sure to save all the CSS and whatever, and I just threw it on in here. I changed these links down here. The the links over here. Player search goes to PR2 Hub. Uh, Reported messages goes here. Ban log goes here. I'm not going to show those because I don't want to disclose reported messages and IP addresses in the ban log. But you guys get the gist. I also coded that in PHP. Pretty self-explanatory. Just PHP date function, and then date function again. Also, I fixed these links here. So instead of breaking and going to some non-existent link or gointentional.com, it throws an error and says, jigman.com does not exist, or you cannot search a website that does not exist. So let's take a look at some of the tools. So here we have guild ID, or delete guild rather, sorry. And you can really enter anything in guild ID and the server will send a success message for it. Like I've typed H in there before and it said, guild ID number H has been successfully deleted, whatever. So let's just type something in there. Don't worry, guild ID number 0 does not exist. Submit that. If it'll load, maybe. All right. And it'll say the operation is completed successfully. Guild ID number 0 was successfully deleted. The guild deletion has been recorded and can be viewed at this link. This was made with MySQL. This part was made with MySQL. The operation pretty much always completes successfully. Only when you don't have power to do it, I believe, the server will send you an error message. And then it'll say error, your token's expired or whatever. But so let's check the guild deletion history. So here we have 3 times that I've deleted guild ID number 0. Basically it's recorded in a MySQL database. Let me reload this. So the latest result was recorded in the MySQL database in the form of ID and timestamp, and I just converted the timestamp to a readable date, and then it's a longer date if you mouse over it. So let's go back to tools, go to manual ban, and this is pretty self-explanatory. You enter all the information in here and you hit submit. I'm gonna just do that, whatever. Reason H, let's say ban for 1 minute, IP and account. And it'll throw me an error. The account that has been specified does not exist. Let's try that again. Oh, I just made a typo. And I have a bunch of custom durations in here. Usually it's 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and 1 year. But I added a bunch of intermediary lengths, and also an option to specify the length. Because the request sends to the server in seconds, so it's easy to manipulate that kind of thing. Um, so let's ban my test account for 0 seconds. The operation completed successfully. BLS's test account has been banned for 0 seconds. This ban has been recorded and can be viewed at this link. Let's click that, and I also have the ban history here. You can see here, same deal with the timestamp. Let's actually go into the MySQL and check it out. As you can see, it recorded user, forced IP, reason, length, time, type, and timestamp. So let's go. Oh yeah, there's a drop down here that works on every page. You select the page you want to go to, and it goes there. So player search, pretty self-explanatory. It's sort of like the old PR2users.com, except it uses getplayerinfo2.php instead of getplayerinfo.php. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, here, PR2hub.com/getplayerinfo2. This uses JSON, so I used the JSON, whereas getplayerinfo.php is just a jumble, and it's a lot harder to figure out than getplayerinfo2. So if I type in, Jigman, I coded it so that it shows like the body parts and whatever, the hat, the head, the body, the feet, and all the colors. I also wanted to make sure that it didn't display different heads or feet when the cactus was enabled. So if we look at Fred the Giant Cactus, we notice that head is gone, head and feet are both gone, and outfit is cactus, and effect is the frost gin burst effect, as you can see right here on Fred's feet. Now, also in the ban history, if you click one of the users, it'll open the player search in a new tab, and it'll link to that user. So I hope you all enjoyed this. If you want to see more of this in the future, let me know. I had fun making it. I like the challenge. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I am currently working on a guild details page, but this does absolutely nothing right now. I plan to have that done soon, so if you want me to demo that, just let me know. I'd be happy to. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all the love and support I get from you guys, and yep, peace.